That's gang, what is going on? Today we are going to do something a little different. Just a little different. Today we're going to take a little break from the trap realm and we're gonna go to the lo-fi realm. Okay, probably wondering, oh, you're probably gonna make an anime lo-fi. No, not yet. Okay, but in the future maybe. But now I'm just gonna make a nice little simple lo-fi beat. I haven't done one in a while, and lo-fi is pretty cool. I like lo-fi. I don't really know if people like watching these tutorials, but hey, I'm gonna do it anyway because I want to. So yeah, if you haven't already joined my Discord, alright, so it's popping there. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel because I know you're watching and you're not subscribed to the channel. So hit that subscribe button, please. Thank you very much. Be greatly appreciated. And yeah, let's get into it. So there's this piano in the in Nexus. I think it's in Nexus. It's called the Rhodes piano. It's got a nice degraded sound to it. If I can find it. Yeah, here you go, Lo-Fi Rhodes. Alright, so I'm just gonna make a nice little melody with this. Man, I hate how loud this piano is, bro. Why is it so loud? There we go. Oh my god, I just had a melody in my head. How did I forget? Oh my god. Oh my god. Why can't I think of a nice lo-fi melody?
6.5 hours later.
Alright, fine, that works. I don't know if I want this one, but we'll try it. Alright, now we got our chord progression. Let's get this counter melody now. Or like the, you know what I'm talking about. Okay. Alright, I think this is alright. Let's legato these. And maybe let's make this a little dark melody. Alright, that's pretty cool, I guess, for a nice little lo-fi, sad piano chord progression. Took me long enough. Now I want to degrade it. I don't think I can do that with this. Oh, well, no, I don't. Wait, is there a bit crusher? Do I have a bit crusher? Hold on a second. I'm gonna look this up real quick. Alright, so I found it. It's called Fruity Squeeze. So we're gonna use that as a bit crusher for this piano melody. Alright, that's pretty cool. Now I want to add the little wobbly vibrato. Do I please tell me I have it? Time warp. And guys, if you don't know what I'm doing, I don't know what I'm doing right now. So I'm just playing around with this thing and seeing if I can get a nice sound, to be honest. So I'm just gonna continue. Alright, this is a nice little lo-fi sounding piano melody. Now I want to add a counter melody. So thinking of adding a flute because I don't know what else to put in a lo-fi beat, really. I mean, lo-fi is supposed to sound old, and back in the day they didn't have like omnisphere, so like I don't think those sounds would really fit. So let's try the container flute, see if that'll do anything. Alright, now our melody's done, finally. Alright, let's get some lo-fi drums in there. I'm pretty sure I have a lo-fi kit. Alright, let's stick with the diddle snare because I don't feel like. Alright, nice little kick pattern. Let's get this hi-hats in. All right, there's our very basic drum pattern for our lo-fi beat. Now let's move on to the bass, because I need a nice little sub bass for this pattern because it's kind of dull without it. So let's go to Citrus and get us a nice sub bass, and then we'll probably be done. I don't really think I want to add anything else to this beat because I don't really need anything else, honestly. So where can I find Citrus though? Okay, that slide is a bit too much, so we're gonna turn that slide down. We're gonna make this really basic, guys. Like, oh, that's kind of nice. All right, now I'm gonna rearrange this kick pattern just because, you know, the bass is kind of nice and I want it to match. So let's try that out. And I mean, well, there you have it. There's your lo-fi beat. Came out pretty decent. I mean, at first I was kind of struggling with the melody, but you know, we turned it around and we got the dub. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you leave a like. Don't forget to comment, share, like, and subscribe. Don't forget to join the Discord, and also turn on post notifications and all that good stuff. And yeah, man, I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. And peace.